If you never want to have bad breath again, you might just love this SmartMouth mix I was just gifted. This is SmartMouth Morning, and this is a patented zinc mouthwash that actually immediately makes your breath smell fresh and then keeps it fresh for 24 hours, as long as you use this twice a day. And how it works is it actually has two different solutions that when mixed together will actually have a chemical reaction in your mouth, and that is what does everything. It's a zinc-activated solution, and it is incredible. It is alcohol-free, paraben-free, sulfite-free, and when you first put them together, the mix will be green, but if you let this sit, it will change color. It's already changing color a little bit to blue, so you want to swish immediately. And I've been using this for a few days, and whenever I use it, my breath feels immediately fresher, but not that sharp burning sensation like some really powerful, usually alcohol-based mouthwashes are. It's much more clean, and it definitely stays that way throughout the day. Now, there is a trick to this for me, and that's that because it has zinc in it, if I just rinse my mouth and then don't do anything else, after 30 minutes or so, I can taste kind of a slight taste of the zinc. For me, the easiest way to prevent that is I just swish some water after I swish with this. And there's no issue with doing that. This works immediately, so you can certainly swish water, eat food, whatever you want to do right after it. I still wait on eating food for a little while, but I do find that that swish of water makes all the difference for me. And then this is the morning edition, and SmartMouth has a variety of different options for you. And this one's pretty incredible in that it also includes liposomal B12 and L-carnitine, and that liposomal delivery means it's more readily bioavailable to your body. So as you're swishing, your body is absorbing these nutrients, which are going to help or should help with energy, metabolism, good stuff to start your day with. If you are looking for one impressive mouthwash, I definitely recommend checking out SmartMouth. I am quite impressed with this brand.